guys, just popping on to share what I do to look after myself and my mental health. I find that setting aside time to check in on myself is really important. I do this by spending time outdoors. That could be like a short walk, a mountain walk, a coastal walk if you're feeling more adventurous and need more time. But yeah, I feel like this gives you a chance to reflect and probably check in on yourself on how you're feeling.